Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? I hope you're enjoying the best of the health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. And we are learning Unit 6. Its title is The Camera. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn how to write name and phone number and number in words 1 till 10. Before this, in English for grade C, you have learned how to write introduction, your name and many more information. I hope you remember, and we are going to extend the practice and we'll write name and phone number and we'll write numbers from 1 to 10 in words. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 29. He is the one who created for you what is in the earth, all. Moreover, he turned to the heaven and fashioned them 7 heavens. And He of everything is all-knowing. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. The first thing is the one. Allah is one. There is only one Allah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created everything. Whatever is in the earth, whatever we can see, who created it? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And 7 heavens. Okay, there are 7 skies. You have heard about it. 1, 2, 3, like they are in rows. So who created? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I have circled 1 and 7. We have not written it in number. It's in words. So this is what we are going to learn today. Okay. So first there are questions. What is your full name? Every one of you will come in the front of class and will tell his or her full name and as well as your phone number. Okay, pause the video, answer these 2 questions and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope all of you told your name, your full name. Good job. And your phone number, do you remember? Teachers, kindly, if children don't have this information, you can take help from their diary where they have written, their parents have written their phone numbers, because this is what we are going to practice in book. So all of you now open your book and we are going to complete this exercise. What it is? First you will write your name. My name is. So beta, how do we write name? Whenever we write name, the first letter of first name is capital. Then the first letter of second name and third name is also capital. How? For example, your name is Muhammad Amar. So M capital and A capital. And if it is further, there is a third name as well. Again, the first letter will be capital. So Muhammad with capital M, Ammar with capital A. And for example, it's Ali, then again you will write capital A, L-I, right? This is how all of you will write and you will follow the lines as well. And my phone number is, how do we write phone number? First of all, for every mobile numbers, there are 4-digit code and then we put a hyphen, this little dash, and then we write the numbers. So following these pattern, you will complete this exercise in your book. Pause the video, write your name and phone number and then come back. Yes, my dear students, you are done. Good job. You are smart and quick. Now we are going to do a very interesting activity. I know you are going to like it. All right. And what this activity is, this poem is there in your book. So let's sing this poem. All of you open this page and we are going to sing it. And how we are going to do it? 1 little, 2 little, 3 little apples, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little apples, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little apples, 10 little apples on the ground. Wow. So, did you enjoy it? You want to do it again? Okay, if really, teacher, you can pause the video, make the children to enjoy this poem and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? So, let's now all of you calm down, settle down on your seats, what I'm going to tell you. Basically, beta, if we count, how many apples are there? 1. The way we write 1 in numbers, likewise we write 1 in words. And how do we spell it? O-N-E, 1. Now, how many apples are there? 2. The way you write 2 in numbers, likewise, we write 2 in words. And how do we spell it? T-W-O, 2, right? 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. 6, S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. And 10, T-E-N, 10. This is how we write numbers in words. That's here. Okay, so it's your turn. All of you first read these spellings and then you have to write these spellings in your notebook. You will write numbers from 1 to 10 in words in your notebook. Okay, so pause the video, complete this exercise in your notebooks and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write numbers in words 1 to 10 and your name and phone number in your notebooks. This is your homework and here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you are going to do, you will count the objects and you will write number in words over here, right? This is how you are going to complete this worksheet. And what we have learned today, we learned to write numbers from 1 to 10 in words and write your name and phone number. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to write numbers from 1 to 10 in words and write name and phone number. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.